baby. Come on, come here. Don't work. Take effect in 2 seconds. Hurry. Thank you. I'm gonna take effect. What? Where'd he go? Pinky? It worked! Eureka! This could change the history of mathematics and biology as we know it. That's if I did this to myself. Let's see. Let's spray this on me. I just two. Run in there. Run in there. Hey. I'm gonna document this. I'm gonna document this. I'm gonna document this, guys. What? Wait, what? You guys can't see me? What? Really? You're going to do an experiment. Oh my god! I'm invisible! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! There's only one way to tell this. Oh! I can't believe it worked! But just I went invisible and I walked over here. I love this video. Please subscribe and like my video.